I found it a hell of an experience. It's certainly eye-opening. I think it's a roller coaster. Emotions I didn't think I was going to experience. My name's Tony. I'm 46 and I'm a doctor. And men's health is a problem. Men do not go to doctors. Men do not seek medical advice. Men consider themselves invariably to be very self-sufficient. And the reality about conventional medicine is we know that we live in a high-stress society, and we know that diseases are increasing. Heart disease, stroke, autoimmunity. They all have a huge role in people's emotional being and their stress levels. And medication and medical therapy per se is not the answer to a lot of those emotional distress. I think the problem is actually identifying your issues and rather than concealing it all up. And places like this are safe areas for men to feel like they can be vulnerable and open themselves up. Here I've found an ability to be more open and to want to share that I haven't felt in other similar type of environments. I found it safe, it's well run, the food's awesome. This particular retreat appeals to a wide range of people, and what I think is particularly productive is you have a wide range of ages, a wide range of occupations and experiences, and whether people have done work like this before or have had years and years of self-journaling, this retreat has an ability to unify those experiences together. The facilitators appear well experienced. They seem to have a good knowledge and grasp of a breadth of this sort of work, and they seem to be able to tailor it to the particular individuals that are present. They seem to also have a very good knowledge of the participants here and what they wanted. I think it's a wonderful experience, and I think if you're a man, no matter where you are on your journey, something as simple as this that only requires one day on a Saturday, you have spent less productive Saturdays than this.